Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm simply going to show you how to endorse a check for your mouse Chase application on your mobile phone just in some seconds. For this, I will show you some of the genuine steps how you can properly endorse a check for Chase mobile deposit. Step 1 is prepare your check for endorsement. So what you have to do is simply check some things that verify the check it is addressed to you, ensure the check is not damaged or altered, confirm that the check has been filed out completely and correctly by the issuer. Sign on the back of the check. On back of the check you will find a few lines or a box that's typically located on one end of the check. This is endorsement area where you can sign your name on the top line as it appears on the front on the check. This is required to authorize your deposit. Now, add a restricted endorsement. Chase may require some restriction also on your account. Then you have to simply log into your Chase mobile app on your smartphone or the tablet you can use. Log in using your Chase username and password, where you have to click on the Pay and Transfer tab and select there for deposit checks. Then choose the account where you want to deposit your check. Enter the check details. Enter the amount of the check when it's prompted. And it is important to ensure that this matches the written amount on the check itself. What you have to do is the last step is capture the image of check. You have to click on the update button to take a photo of the front of your check. Place the check on a dark surface area. Hold your device directly above the check. Please make sure all the corners are visible on the camera screen and usually take a picture, and then you have to simply review it. Click on the deposit button and click on the yes button to confirm your transaction. After this, your check will be verified and the amount will be deposited to your Chase account within about 1 to 2 days. This is the video.